Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and today we're talking horseshoe style oil tanks. It's really hard to argue with the classic great looks of a vintage Harley horseshoe style oil tank. The only problem with that is if you're building a 1982 to 2003 Harley Sportster chopper using one of our TC Brothers weld-on hardtails, is they really don't fit. The backbone gets in the way, the mounts aren't in the right place. So we've solved that problem by making a 3-quart capacity horseshoe style oil tank specifically for our weld-on hardtails. They use your same cap that came stock on your bike. They've got a included vent location that's nice and high. And they have beautiful TIG welding, pressure tested, the right fittings, the right mounts, and the mounts themselves have rubber isolators to prevent cracking and stainless steel hardware to have this be as simple of an install as you can have. They work perfectly in conjunction with our rigid mount Solo, Cobra, or King and Queen style seats. You can find more information about these and all the products that we sell by visiting our website, tcbros.com.